Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, everything got. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare to when you naked. Now we're backward and cement, he got you fed. You're saying you the one for me, I need to flex it. Started when we were younger, swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out, guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No, no, no. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, everything got. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know.
Happy birthday, Carla! Sana matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap. I love you.
Happy birthday, Carla. So, legal age ka na ngayon. Sana matupad mo na yung pangarap mo and yun lang. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Carla!
Have a happy and healthy life.
And may all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday.
Hi Carla! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best. Yung walang kapares.
Hi Carla May! Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Carla! Happy birthday. I love you. God bless you and more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. I love you. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Carla.
Happy birthday, Carla! Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come.
Hi, dear Carla! Happy birthday!
Hi, Carla! Happy birthday! Many more.
Happy birthday, Carla May Karaang. Sika, apok tinadanon ti panakayanak na tata, agyamyaman kami kini apo. Ta ikan nakakuma tinananay asalunat mo. Ket iti lang may kunaking ka apok, iyagawam tagbasa ang kapalang mga asawa.
Day Carla, tilang may bagaking ka, anak ko, agbasa ka nga lalaing. Ta panunutom ni mamang mo nga aday ti adayo. Ket atalang ti may bagaking ka, agbasa ka nga lalaing, anak ko.
So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll share.
Yogi Bagua.
So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way.
We have Mr. Raimundo Fuliante. Yes naman. Palakpakan po natin si Mr. Raimundo Fuliante. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Gil Galang.
Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I pray I would find some.
Oh yeah!
And baby, I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day.
Thank you, Mr. Gil Karaang. Next, we have Mr. Hebron Karaang.
Oh yeah! Yahoo!
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my... Yeah, boy! Please come back now. breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, fix what I broken. Oh, 'cause I need you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third of last in the list, Mr. Mark Joseph Karangang.
There goes my handshake.
Mr. Domingo Karaang.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again.
Final dance, Mr. Jose Pimentel. Chat, may pa-bless. Again, palakpakan pa naman natin sila. Yes. Sila po ay long-term relationship na
I found a love
since 12th century.
for me.
Mabubuyag!
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Today is the start of your new chapter in life. Today is the start of a new chapter in your life. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and always find the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Camila.
Happy legal age, Carla. Sapay lang kumataan na kami nga pag-street-tripan, Jerome, nakan ka na yun. Eh, magbasa ka na laing, and thank you, amin. I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Marjorie De Leon. Next, we have Miss Yvette Ilian Erhas. Ilian, I should say. Hello.
Taking one step to your journey, today start new page of your life full of happiness. Happy 18th birthday, Carla May Caraang. Follow your dreams and may God help you achieve them. Happy birthday.
DJ, that's all the best.
Thank you so much, Miss Mylene Medrano, and you will have your photo of
18th birthday, Carla. Sana maabot mo ang iyong mga pangarap. We love you so much. Happy birthday again.
Carla, pasensyakan asya kung tibalasan niya. Carla, happy birthday! Basta kang nalain. Anak kami tutulad ng mama mo nga, nasapang ng asawa. Love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate. Welcome to adulthood. May your heart be filled with joy, love, and peace. And thank you for inviting us with these wonderful birthday celebrations of yours. And also sa inyong mga grade 12 na mag-i-immersion, good luck. And may all your dreams be successful. Again, happy birthday, Ate Carla.
Hi, Ate. Welcome to the Adult Club, Ate. May your 18th birthday be filled with adventures, new experiences, and joy. Thank you, Ate. Happy birthday. Enjoy your night, Ate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Carla. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and always find the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best. Hello, Ate ko Carla. Happy birthday! May your 18th year be a symphony of confidence, elegance, and self-discovery. From a debutante to trailblazer, your journey is inspiration to us all. Share your 18th birthday and the incredible chapter of your life. Happy birthday! Hi, Ate Carla. Happy birthday! Awan, ikinay-prepare ko mga message ko kay Migamim. Agan anad ka kung mga kanayon, agbasa ka nga nalain. Adi lang, ate. Happy birthday, boy. May may bagak lang, agan anad ka kan kanayon. Mas laki tam lang, kaano lang hindi pinagpapatangan tayo. Happy birthday, boy.
Thank you so much, Miss Kathleen Botay.
First of all, I just want to say thank you sa pagkakaibigan natin ngayon. And alam mo naman kung gaano ako kasaya kapag kasama ko kayo Kathleen and Jaira. And yun nga, you're entering a new chapter of your life full of possibilities and opportunities. Embrace every moment, chase your dream, and never forget how truly special you are. And as you blow out your 18 candles, may each one symbolize a year filled with joy, growth, love, and unforgettable memories. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti and I wish you all the best. I love you.
Lo. Happy 18th birthday, San. Di may ba lang ganyam ke sabay ko mata hindi ka balbaliw. Sisipat ka kanayo na. Salamat kin na kita tay parents mo nga di da kay baybayan. Sabay ko mata agbasa nga nalai. Love you, sir.
Thank you so much, Carolina. For
Happy 18th birthday, Carla. Ingat ka always. I love you.
Thank you, Miss Heron. Next, we have Miss Julian Fuliante.
Happy 18th birthday, dear Cassie. Today you step in a new chapter of your life. It's not just about becoming an adult, but about growing, learning, and discovering who you truly are. As your journey through life, remember that you are strong, beautiful, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. I love you.
Yes, I love you too, Miss Julian Fuliante. Photo ops po muna. Ayan, smile. Next in the list,
Si Carla, ti may bayak lang king kaagadal ka na laing tapno maabot mo ti pangarap mo. Ken sana na kami nga iwasan nga barkada. Ken adi lang ti may bagak king ka. Ulit, happy 18th birthday, Carla.
Ay na yan po doon! Mr. Operator, please, the budot song at sasayaw po ang ating John Paul Fuliante in 3, 2, 1. The floor is yours. Operator. Yan! Budot! Yan! So much, Mr. John Paul Fuliante, for bringing up the best in you. You may now proceed with your message to our dear debutant.
Happy 18th birthday, Kasin. Ti may baga lang kin ka ket maddaman ti may bagbagan ni inang mo kin tatang mo ket hamo ko mga pagsaksakitan tinapon mo aje ta isuti sumulang manggay ta aje pagtakon mo tiniti may bag lang kin ka maddaman iti hanga pagkinawatan ni inang mo kin tatang mo ket sika kumati agbalin nga page tatno hanga lumala aji nga kwada no dikat sika iti mangpatibker kanya data no adamot lang aji relationship nga king iti may baga lang mo iti pirang boyfriend mo para iti amin ket siya ti dahilan no api nga nag-boyfriend dakin ni Jose so aji nabayag mi nga ilimdum mong ating relationship dahil nga natatakit mano years yun 3 years 3 years something, ajay, kasama kimi Jose, pas ang ko kanyang ititra. Kinaji kasing ko, kit kamo kumabaybay ani suna. Kaya damantahan yung pag kinawatan nga dwa, ang kumaiti pride, iti mo yayo. Kaya iti ajay nga, no, dati may bagbag tinaganap mo, kamo kumanga adjective, so ti pagsakitan tinapin. Basta ka na lang, no, adaman kayo mga advice, nga galing kanya, adana latat yung sisi open nga mga bagbagakin ka. Halang iti pag-ibig taong pa'y tinaranasan ang kasya. So, happy 18th birthday, Carla.
Thank you so much, Mr. John Paul Foliantes. And of course, partner, John Paul becomes...
Birthday, Ate Carla!
And then, Totoo.
Happy Monday!
Happy Mother's Day daw po. Yan naman.
Happy birthday, Ate Carla.
Hug mo na si ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Carla. Happy legal age, Ate Carla. Happy birthday, Ate Carla. Happy birthday, Ate Carla. Birthday, Ate Carla. Happy birthday, Ate Carla.
Carla, anak, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Kilang may bagaking ka na kong amulauno, sungsungitan iti naganaking ka, kami ti kasta, maitod da iti pagragsakam anak ko. Kastan, I love you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Carla. Sing-singkot ka na ko. Pag akong tiyawan niya mga aywan kong lola ang mga ninang mo. Pag itinaganak ka niya, papang kong mamang mo.
Imbag nga rabitay aming kakabsat, nang runa apo iti ama tayo iti barangay Dalawig, nga ni apo Dabing Luis. Carla, happy birthday, anak. Bang panunutom ki sakripisyo ni inam, iso nga agsingsingkot ka, ipapatim ti agbasa. Kaya happy birthday.
Basa ka na lang yung panunutem ti sakripisyo dari tinaganak mo, dayawan ka ni respetuhin. Happy birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much. Photo ops po tayo.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Unang-una po sa lahat, maligayang kaarawan, Carla. Sana lahat
lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matupad mo. Lahat ng sakripisyo ng mga magulang mo, sana isipin mo mag-aral kang mabuti para rin sa inyong kinabukasan. Yan lang. Happy birthday, Adi.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jenaline, Ami, and Zoe.
Happy birthday na ko. Nagasat ka ta na experience mo ti kastoy ka bongga day iso nga agbasa ka nga na.
Happy birthday, Carla. Wish ko anak ko. Matupad mo amin ti pangarap mo ti buhay mo. God bless you all.
Nagdadak ka na ito yung ganda nga regalo. Siyak lang tawang ti regalo na. Small but terrible. Happy birthday na kong. Sika nga ta ti kagasatan nga nakita ko ta napadasa mi ti kastoy nga okasyon. Napadasa mi tag birthday ti kastoy ka bongga. Ta idi si kami adalang may patadar nga may sanga ko kuno may sanga biskuit na ragsak kami. Iso nga congratulations. Happy birthday. Gaputa basit. Adang nga nayon na nga bomba. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carla. Iyak agawam na kong itiagpasa. Tapos itikastagad sa masakpayang. Lagi lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Marla. Happy 18th birthday. Sana magtupad lahat ng
Happy birthday, Carla. Agbasa na laing. Tapos, ang kapay mga sawa.
Happy 18th birthday, Carla. Agbasa na laing na ko. Pasulit mo lang kinasingkat mo.
Get ready. 18. Next, Kagawad Edwin Butay, Kagawad Bernabe Makapula, and Kagawad Jerry Makapula.
Carla, magkabayad ka kay mga magulang mo sa kasi lola mo. Aral mabuti.
Ayan.
Nakong Carla, happy birthday. Okay, met, iti at ka-boyfriend. Ngem, agbasa ka pa lang nakong ta, ti asawa makauray. Okay? Sapay ko mata magunod mo, DJ, atapaak mo. Again, happy 18th birthday. God bless!
Okay, Apong. Happy birthday. Ken hamo nga tultuladen da papa ken mamang mo idi isudat agbasbasa ken di handa nakawida. Iti rignada ketata ikang ka di pagpampalunong tamapaw. Agadal ka nga nalaing ta iti masakbayan ket dapat unay. So nga agadal ka. Apong. I love you, Apong.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Now we move.
Carla, I wish you all the best in your life. Study well, and God bless you always.
May your all wishes and dreams come true and always find the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best. Happy 18th birthday, Ate.
Ay, ma'am, may photo ops po muna tayo. Ma'am. Okay po. Mag-photo ops na lang daw po sa likod.
Sakripisyo ni nanang magyadayo.
Ma'am, photo.
Papating kagbasa.
Ma'am, photo ops po. Wala na ata si ma'am. Okay lang po. Josie or Josie Kudal and Zenaida Cortez.
Happiest birthday, Carla! Sapay kumaapong, tas ikat agbalin nga rantay, nasinged launay, dananang mo, mamang mo, inapapang mo. Ken sakbay na apong, agparamit ka ti ading mon, 18 mon.
Happy birthday, Carla. Agsingsingpet ka, anak. Ken panpanunutin ka sakripisyo damamang pinpapang mo. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much po.
Happy birthday, Apong! Katatapong, ha? Talagang kinaligat tayo, panagagati, kubar na.
Happy birthday sa. Happy birthday sa. Nagbasa ka na laing, ikinong pa ng utang sa.
Happy birthday, Carla. Naggasat ka na kong ka na ipayan da ka ti kastoy kagarbong birthday. Kahit na asawan ay ayatan da ka launay dagiti naganak mo. Tilang may bagak, agbasa nga nalaing, tayton makasapol katitid na siya at na trabaho, isublim to kadanan ng kintatang mo, ikamtumat isuda ti kastoy kagarbong nga celebration, into no 25th wedding anniversary wano into no golden birthday da.
Perfect.
Okay. So, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life.
Thank you so much, Mom. And now,
Happy birthday ka, Carla. Nagbasa ka ng ating panunutong itirigat tibiyan. Kung papating kagbasa. I love you.
ayan, nagmukha na po siyang grocery. Waki is an expression and goodwill towards the debutant. Toasting their glass with her means they are her ally whenever and wherever she is taking her pill. So, inaanyayahan ko po lahat ng mga 18 shots na proceed na po sa harap.
You think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, and how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. It's not impossible. Say that changing the world to be ours.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.